If you can stand up from a chair smoothly, you keep your independence longer. Most routines ignore this crucial movement you do dozens of times a day. Here's the fix: a safe, step-by-step sit-to-stand progression designed for people over 80. We'll show you how to make standing feel twice as easy without adding strength. Standing from a chair is the daily independence test, whether it's for the toilet, bed, car, or dining. If you can rise without help, you move through your day on your terms. It's not just legs, it's legs, hips, core, posture, and balance working together, exactly like real life. Generic squats or machines often miss this integrated approach. Research shows repeated sit-to-stands improve knee extensor strength and lower the muscular effort needed to rise. Consistent practice leads to better mobility and steadier balance. Sit-to-stand offers safety advantages. You control seat height, use armrests, and get instant feedback. It requires no equipment, and the risk is lower because you're close to the chair. Before we start moving, let's set this up right so it feels easier and safer. Choose a stable chair with no wheels, with the seat at or slightly above your knee height. Set your feet hip-width apart with toes slightly turned out. Tuck your heels under or just behind your knees for built-in leverage. If your feet are too far forward, standing will feel heavy. Scoot to the front third of the seat and stack your posture tall. Bring your nose over toes with a gentle forward lean. This shifts your center of mass over your feet. Pick your arm option. Easiest is hands on armrests. Next is hands on thighs. Harder is hands crossed over your chest. Breathe with the effort, exhaling as you stand. Pain rules keep you safe. Mild muscle burn is fine, but sharp pain means stop. Raise the seat, widen your stance, or add a cushion. Keep a sturdy counter or walker within reach. Now let me show you the exact pattern that makes this click. Think in 3 phases. Rock forward, drive through the midfoot, then stand tall and lock the hips. Phase 1, rock forward. Scoot to the front, set heels under knees. Lean until your nose is over your toes. You'll feel weight load into your feet. That's your green light. Phase 2, drive through the floor. Push through the middle of your feet, letting your knees travel over your toes. This stacks the joints so your quads and glutes do the work. Phase 3, stand tall and lock the hips. As you rise, think hips forward, not back. Squeeze your glutes at the top to bring your hips under you, feeling steady. On the way down, slow the lowering. Hinge your hips back as if reaching for the chair with your hips, not your knees. Control the descent and land softly. Avoid common mistakes like feet too far forward, collapsing into the seat, or rushing the descent. Keep the finish tall, with hips gently forward and ribs stacked over pelvis. Here's a quick win. Slide both feet 1 inch back from where they are. Feel how the stand immediately gets lighter. That small change improves leverage. Remember this sequence: nose over toes, push the floor, hips forward, control the sit. Master that, and every transfer gets safer and easier. Once the pattern feels smooth, here's a safe way to build strength fast. Start with a baseline. How many controlled stands can you do in 30 seconds? Level 1. High seat with full hand support. Do 3 sets of 5 smooth reps, once a day, focusing on the sequence. Level 2. High seat, but reduce hand help to hands on thighs. Slow the lowering to about 3 seconds. Aim for 3 sets of 6 to 8 reps. Level 3. Standard seat height with hands free. Cross arms or hold them in front for balance. Do 3 sets of 8 to 10, keeping every landing quiet. Level 4 adds slow eccentrics. For seconds down, normal pace up. This sharpens control and boosts balance. Level 5 adds a pause halfway down. Lower, pause 1 to 2 seconds without collapsing, then finish the sit. This teaches you to own the middle range. Level 6 lowers the seat or removes the cushion. Only progress here if you're pain-free and steady. Do 3 sets of 8, prioritizing perfect form. Use micro-progressions if you stall. Adjust seat height, hand support, or tempo. Train 5 days a week, retesting your 30-second count every 2 weeks. Strength is rising. Now make standing feel steady. Add supported heel raises at a counter. Rise onto the balls of your feet, pause, and lower with control. Layer in a 3-second stand hold after each sit to stand. Rise tall, eyes forward, ribs stacked over pelvis, and count 1, 2, 3 before you step. Adopt the anti-fall habit. Stand, Breathe out, count to 3, then take your first step. That brief pause reduces those first step wobbles. If you're using a counter for light support, try 2 fingers, then 1, then hover your hand. Reduce support gradually, never abruptly. Use a quick mobility mini circuit before sets, 10 gentle ankle rocks, and 5 small hip hinges. This improves range and makes the first reps feel smoother. If you use a walker or cane, position it in front or to the side. Make sure brakes are engaged on rollators and don't pull on the device to stand. Consistency wins. Here's how to stay on track. Aim to surpass your natural daily transitions by adding 15 to 30 focused reps spread across the day. Use the 30-second rule for quality. Smooth up, controlled down, quiet landing. If a set gets sloppy, stop and return later. Follow the pain guide. Mild muscle burn is normal, but sharp pain means stop. Adjust your setup or consult a clinician if discomfort persists. Manage fatigue by breaking work into mini sets. Short, frequent practice often beats one long, exhausting session. Keep a simple log: date, reps, chair height, hand assist, and a brief note on balance. You'll see patterns and track progress. Watch for recovery cues. Getting up from low chairs feels lighter, less hand push-off, and steadier first steps. These are green lights. Know the red flags: new chest pain, sudden shortness of breath, unexplained leg swelling, or a sudden change in balance needs medical attention. This is where training turns into daily independence. Use the same pattern everywhere. For toilet rises, start with a slightly higher seat if needed. Plant your feet, nose over toes, and stand tall before turning. For the car, pivot facing out, plant both feet, scoot to the edge, lean forward, and push from the seat, not the door, to stand. From bed to chair, sit up, plant feet under knees, lean forward, and rise. Pause for 2 to 3 seconds before stepping to let your blood pressure settle. With dining chairs, scoot forward, set heels under knees, nose over toes, and stand. Choose firm, stable chairs in public spaces. If something feels off, here's how to fix it fast. If your knees ache, raise the seat, widen your stance, and slow the lowering. If you can't stand without hands, bring feet farther back, lean more, and use a light counter touch. Reduce hand help gradually. If you lose balance at the top, add the 3-second stand hold and widen your stance. Focus your eyes on a fixed spot straight ahead. If you're falling into the chair, count 3, 2, 1, and aim for a silent landing. Quiet equals control. If fatigue stalls you, cut reps per set, add an easy set later, or switch to slower eccentrics. Progress comes from consistent, clean reps. Mastering sit to stand, nose over toes, push the floor, hips forward, controlled sit, is the simplest way to keep independence after 80. Start the 6-week ladder today, log your reps, and retest in 2 weeks. Subscribe for advanced balance progression, then watch the bathroom fall prevention video next.